Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is all about simplifying expressions with rational exponents. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And finally, please do not skip the ads in this video. And now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about simplifying expressions with rational exponents. Simplifying expression with rational exponents, laws of exponents for integral exponents may be used. Let's recall it. So this is the laws. These are the laws of exponent. Let m and n be the rational numbers, and a and b be the real numbers. So here, kapag nakita mo to, ibig sabihin niyan, i-multiply mo yung A, and then yung M tsaka N, i-add mo sila. So that's one rule. The second is, kapag ganito naman siya, in a multiplication, in a open and close parenthesis, ibig sabihin, yung A, i-multiply mo siya, dependent dun sa number na given dito. Let's say this is 2 and this is 2, so, or 3. So, 3 times yung i-multiply by itself, yung A. And then, i-multiply mo naman yung M kay N. So, Mn. For this one, you will distribute this M to the two variables. So, we have A raised to M and B raised to M. For another rule, we have A over B. So, distribute M. So, we have A raised to M over B raised to M such that B is not equal to 0. And finally, we have A raised to M over A raised to N, which is, kapag nagdi-divide tayo ng rational exponents, or ng exponents, ang ginagawa natin is we subtract them, no? So we have A raised to M minus 1 if M is greater than N. That is, A is not equal to 0. Okay? So, yung minus lang natin sila. Yung M tsaka N. If M is less than, let's say, if M is less than N, that would be, that implies 1 over A N minus M. Ganun siya, no? Basta, less than dapat yung M sa N. Pero pag greater than yung M, sa taas, sa numerator mo siya isa-subtract. Now, note some real numbers raised to a rational exponent such as negative 1 times 2 are not real numbers. In such cases, these laws do not hold. Aside from the laws of exponents, you are also required to use your understanding of addition and subtraction of similar and dissimilar fractions. So, these are the requirements needed for this lesson, that you know kung paano ba i-simplify yung rational, yung mga la, yung rational yung rationals into a using the laws of exponents, and then also the addition and subtraction of similar and dissimilar fractions. So ito yung mga needed things, no, in understanding the lesson. Now, to understand it better, let's have these examples. So, this is x raised to 4 over 3 times. This is multiplication sign. X raised to 5 over 3. So, ang laki ng multiplication sign na. Anyway, in doing this, ang gagawin lang natin is we just write the base as x, and then we will add the exponents. So, 4 over 3 and 5 over 3. Since pareho sila ng denominator, so i-add natin yung exponents, that is 9 over, copy the denominator, which is 3. I-add natin yung numerator. So, we have 9 over 3. And to turn this into a radical form, we have, first, write the base, write the numerator as the exponent of the base, and 3 as the index of the radical, or yeah, the radical symbol. So we have cube root of x raised to 9 is equal to, actually 9 divided 3 is 3. So we have x raised to 3. Another, we have 16a raised to 3 fourth over 8a raised to 1 fourth. Since this is bigger, or this is greater than 1 fourth, so sa numerator natin siya. So 16 divided 8 is 2. Just copy the variable. And then we have 3 fourth minus 1 fourth is 2 over 4 raised to 2 fourth. And that's equal to 2a raised to 1 half. 2 fourth is, the lowest term is 1 half. And then, um, okay. So in this portion, I think, yung sakop lang ni, ni 1 half is ito. Okay? Kaya siguro ganito siya. So we have 2, lalabas natin si 2. Then write the base, write a radical sign, and then the 1 here, and then yung index is 2. Actually, sa radical, kahit wala na siyang 2, okay lang kasi understood na 2 na yon. So we have 2 square root of a as our final answer. And finally, for 15x raised to 2 over 5 all over, or over 3x raised to 1 over 15. So we have 15 divided 3 is 5. Then copy the x, or the variable. And then 2 fifths minus 1 over 15. Ang kanilang LCD, they don't have the same denominator, right? This is 5 and this is 15. So iba yung denominator nila. We need to get the um, LCD. The LCD of 5 and 15 is 15. 15 divided 15 is 1 times 1, and that's 1. 15 divided 5 is 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5 over 15, or 1 third. So we have 5x and 1 third. Again, this one, ito lang yung sakop niya. So we will just rewrite 5. Copy the variable, put a square root sign, or the radical sign, 1 as the exponent of x, and 3 will become the base of our, the index of our radical symbol. So this will be the final answer for this particular example. So what we've done, by using the laws of exponents and addition and subtraction of similar and dissimilar fractions, we're able to get the rational exponents of the given expression. So ito yung mga rational exponents nila. At the same time, we turn these rational exponents into a radicals. Okay, radical expressions. So ginawa natin silang radicals. So these are the answers. Okay? So that's all about simplifying expressions with rational exponents. With that, thank you very much for your listening.